We already learned this lesson with semiconductors. Dependency breeds vulnerability. Now it's happening again with batteries. No electrons, no mission. You can have the best avionics, the best sensors, the best comms, but without power, it's all inert metal and dead silicon. The statutory ban is coming into force. Beijing is tightening exports. The window to adapt is closing. Hoping the old supply chain holds is magical thinking. The answer is straightforward, hard, and entirely doable. Build the cells here, to our specs, at scale, with full traceability. That's how we protect pilots. That's how we keep satellites alive. That's how we make sure that when the commander says go, the platform actually goes. And that's why American Lithium Energy's mega factory isn't just a business milestone. It's national insurance against the next great energy crisis. The time to switch isn't 2027, it's now.